Are you looking for the best rolling utility cart? In this video, we provide detailed reviews of the 5 best rolling utility cart to help you easily choose the perfect option for your needs. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included a link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Amazon Basics 3-tier metal rolling utility cart, storage organizer, multifunctional kitchen island cart, portable shelving unit with caster wheels, mint green. Brand: Amazon Basics. Material: metal. Color: mint green. Special feature: portable. 3-tier rolling metal utility or kitchen cart for multifunctional use. Ideal for storing tools, utensils, supplies, food, beverages, toiletries. Includes 3 horizontally stacked recessed bins with mesh bottoms, rolling rubber caster wheels with pivoting action for easy mobility, smooth painted finish with anti-rust properties, can be used indoors or outdoors, curved push handle for effective steering and convenience. Number 2. 3-tier metal rolling cart, black utility storage cart with wheels, metal mesh craft cart with hooks and hanging cups, ideal for kitchen, bathroom, office, dorm, art workspace, bedside storage. Shelf type: tiered shelf. Material: metal. Frame material: metal. Brand: Yasinic. Reinforced all-metal construction, ultra sturdy. Our patent-pending frame geometry combines optimized weight distribution with premium materials to ensure the rolling metal cart moves easily without wobbling when loaded up to 110 pounds. High-quality coating, stylish and durable. Elevate your space with the rolling storage cart on wheels that masters both style and substance. Featuring a high-gloss scratch-resistant finish, resists chips, corrosion, and daily wear while maintaining salon-worthy aesthetics. Effortless movement under heavy loads. With 2-inch heavy-duty wheels paired with sturdy frame, the metal rolling cart with wheels glides smoothly and stays stable on carpet or hardwood. The wear-resistant urethane wheel won't scratch surfaces. Larger storage capacity, multifunctional storage. Featuring 3 spacious metal baskets, 2 hanging cups, and 3 hooks, this 3-tier rolling carts with wheels offers extra storage for any occasion. Use it as baby cart, kitchen cart, bathroom cart, bedside cart, craft cart, art cart, snack cart, diaper cart, makeup cart, nail cart, cleaning cart, or tool cart. Number 3. Goovilla 3-tier rolling utility cart organizer with removable drawer. Black. Stable and sturdy rolling storage carts with 2 lockable wheels for bathroom, kitchen, snack, craft, makeup, baby essentials. Brand: Goovilla. Material: plastic. Special feature: durable. Removable drawer. Our rolling cart is designed with a removable drawer on the top level. As you know, the detachable feature makes it easier to clean, and removing the drawer also can increase the height of the storage. Additionally, this drawer adds useful storage space. It's suitable for storing small items to keep them out of the dust and to be found quickly. This utility cart with drawers also makes your space look neater. 360-degree swivel and lockable wheels. Our rolling carts with wheels is set up with safety protection features. The rolling cart organizer has easy-to-push handles on both sides, and the wheels swivel 360 degrees for a silky smooth push and easier maneuvering around corners. The 4 wheels are made of thick metal as well as durable plastic with smooth edges that won't scratch your floors. 2 of casters lock in place will keep the black rolling cart stable and stationary when needed. Strong load capacity. Our 3-tier rolling cart can hold up to 124 lbs for daily use. The top layer holds 24 pounds and the other layers hold 50 pounds each. Holds heavy loads securely within the load-bearing range. It is not recommended to load items close to or over the weight limit to avoid rocking or tipping.
Number 4. Pipishell 3-tier rolling cart, metal utility cart with wheels and handle, rolling storage cart for nursery room, living room, painting room, office, and kitchen. Brand: Pipishell. Material: metal. Special feature: locking caster, sturdy. Multifunctional use rolling cart. This rolling cart is 13.00D by 16.50W by 33.80H. Please confirm the product size before purchasing. The rolling utility cart can be used as a tool cart, service cart, book cart, or organization rack in your office, bedroom, kitchen, laundry room, pantry, studio, classroom, and craft areas. It can add extra storage to any room. Try to avoid use in wet places can extend the service life of the cart. Spacious storage capacity. This utility cart provides 3-tier large storage space while saving you floor space to optimize space utilization. Deep baskets are designed for preventing items from dropping. Per shelf weight capacity of up to 22 pounds. Easy and convenient to move. This 3-tier storage cart comes equipped with 4 wheels, 2 lockable, and the handle design makes it easy and convenient to roll around to anywhere you need, or lock it in place. Adjust the height of wheels to make the cart even and rolling smooth. Strong and sturdy. The utility cart is made of high-quality metal materials to hold up to 22 pounds per shelf. The 3-tier rolling cart is perfect for party night to keep guests entertained with mobile drinks and an ice bucket. Tips: tighten the screws between the basket and metal frame for better stability and sturdiness. Customizable for different storage needs. Adapt it to various storage needs by adjusting the shelves or removable handle. This utility cart comes with required tools and simple assembly instructions, so you can easily assemble the rolling utility cart within 15 to 20 minutes.
Number 5. Swida 3-tier plastic rolling utility cart with wheels for storage. White multifunctional storage trolley for office, living room, kitchen, bathroom, movable organizer, space-saving, easy to assemble. Brand: Swida. Material: plastic. Color: white. Special feature: easy assembly. Easy to move, there are 4 wheels that can rotate 360 degrees, and 2 of them are lockable, and you can slide them at will. Even if it's heavy, you can easily move it, convenient for your storage. Light material, made of plastic and iron pipe, which can be used by you for a long time. The storage basket is made of plastic, which is relatively light, but it still has a certain load-bearing capacity. The poles are made of iron pipe and will not deform easily, and the surface is smooth and won't scratch your hands. Multifunctional storage, this handle utility cart can be placed in the kitchen, living room, toilet, study, and other places. You can use it to place daily items, spices, toiletries, books, and other things. Improve the cleanliness of your home and don't worry about missing things. Installation instructions, each product comes with installation instructions which are easy to understand. If you encounter installation problems, you can consult us and we will answer them for you at the first time. In addition, the number of accessories is indicated in detail in the manual. Following the steps in the manual, the assembly can be completed quickly. Customer service, after receiving the product, please check the product first. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our after-sales team and we will help you as soon as possible.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.